In 193 AD, Rome faced chaos after Emperor Commodus's assassination. Publius Helvius Pertinax, a 66-year-old senator of humble origins, became the unlikely new emperor. His brief reign would be one of the most intriguing in Roman history, as he attempted to reform a crumbling empire. Pertinax reluctantly accepted power, inheriting a crisis-ridden empire. Corruption was rampant, the treasury empty, and the army discontented. Despite these challenges, he was determined to restore Rome's glory through ambitious reforms. Pertinax's first act was tackling lavish spending. He auctioned Commodus's possessions and cut corrupt officials' salaries. This austerity, while necessary, made enemies among the elite accustomed to excess. The new emperor focused on the military, aiming to restore discipline and settle debts. However, the empty treasury left these promises unfulfilled, breeding discontent, especially in the Praetorian Guard. In the Senate, Pertinax found allies. His fairness won support, and he pledged to return power to the Senate, departing from recent authoritarian rule. This shift unsettled those benefiting from the old system. As weeks passed, palace tension grew. Corrupt officials, fearing lost privileges, began plotting. The Praetorian Guard grew restless. Pertinax, perhaps naively, believed in diplomacy to navigate these treacherous waters. On March 28, 193 AD, just 86 days into his reign, discontent boiled over. Praetorians, fueled by greed, stormed the palace to eliminate the reformist emperor. The moment of reckoning had arrived for Pertinax. Facing the mob, Pertinax attempted to reason with the mutineers, reminding them of their oath and duty. For a moment, his words seemed to sway some guards. The air was thick with tension as Rome's fate hung in balance. The fragile peace shattered when one Praetorian struck the emperor. Chaos erupted in the palace. Abandoned by his guard, Pertinax stood alone against the violence. His last stand would become legendary. In his final moments, Pertinax showed dignity and courage. He covered his head with his toga, a last gesture of Roman honor. The Praetorians, blinded by fury, cut him down, ending his brief but impactful reign. News of Pertinax's death shocked Rome. Hope for reform vanished, leaving uncertainty. The conspirators' actions plunged the empire into civil war, tearing apart Roman society. Pertinax's assassination led to the Year of the Five Emperors. Rival claimants fought for power, exposing the fragility of Roman political institutions and deep-rooted corruption. Despite his brief reign, Pertinax left a mark on Roman history. His reform attempts inspired future emperors. He symbolized Roman virtues, austerity, justice, and public service. His end cautioned against rapid change in a resistant system. Historians portrayed Pertinax as a noble figure felled by corruption. His life and death embodied Roman politics' complexities. Pertinax is remembered as the emperor who tried changing Rome in 86 days. His story shows reformers' challenges throughout history, proving even short reigns can impact empires and millions of lives. If this tale of ambition, reform, and tragedy in ancient Rome captivated you, subscribe to our channel. We explore fascinating historical figures weekly. Join us in uncovering the stories that shaped our shared heritage.